Alright, hello everyone. It is time for Silent Night 5820XL Test 7. So we'll go ahead and take a look at all the devices we have installed for today. So, how about we change things up and take a look at our smoke detectors first, because they are exactly the same as the last video. But just as a refresher, the middle detector is an EST conventional smoke detector, a slightly newer model. And I forget the model number of those at the top of my head, but the two addressable Silent Night SK photo detectors are also still there. So there's smoke detectors. Moving along to the horn strobes, you can see today I have chosen on the left my Wheelock MIZ-24-LSM, which, as you can see, is mounted kind of strangely, because that is a single gang device mounted on one of those adapter plates that makes a 4-inch box into single gang. But since the single gang screws are on the left side of the device, it's off center. On the right, we have my Wheelock MT4-24-LS. So these both have the same style of strobes on them, but as you can see, if I zoom in really far on that one, the MIZ is 1575 candela, and the MT is 15 candela. You can kind of see that sticker there. So the MT is on continuous horn, and the MIZ is just on the tone that it is always on, just the smoke alarm high-pitched piezo. It doesn't have any tones. So yes, they will sound kind of nice together, but they kind of won't. Strobes are obviously going to be out of sync. So yeah, it'll be loud and interesting. But there they are. We have the same two modules. We have the control module on top and the relay module on the bottom. I do have something I plan to do with these modules here at some point, but we'll see. And now we'll finally look at the pull stations. And as you can see, for the left spot, I have chosen my Pyrochem pull station, or one of them, dual action push-pull. The one that takes notifier key, you can see it says Pyrochem Fire System Release on it. And on the right, we have my FCI MS2, which looks real nice there. I did get this brand new, and as the New Age server alarm quote goes, if you can find one brand new, find one brand new, because it does look very, very nice. Dual action lift and pull, FCI MS2. And now that we're here, and I was just messing with the MS2, how about we pull it first? So here we go. Whoop. So there they are. As you can hear, the two of them paired together make a terrible noise, and those strobes are really out of sync. So it's its own form of chaos. But there it is. You can see the MT is still having audible silence, because it is a 4-wire device, so I can wire it that way. But the MIZ is only 2-wire, so horn and strobe shut off simultaneously. So for a change, we'll do the second pull station next, and then we'll do a detector. So fun fact of this one, I actually have two of these. This one's kind of off, like the push bar sticks out a little bit far, and this one is also quite a bit easier to pull than my other one. So there we go. And finally, let's spray this detector here, one of these addressable ones. Because we don't do the addressable ones that much, so hopefully that's enough to activate it. There we are. So before we can reset the panel, we obviously have to reset the pull stations. So we'll start the pyrochem, which takes a notifier key, stick it in, turn to the right, it opens, pop handle up, and we'll go ahead and see if we can see the model number in here. It appears it is 551167. You can see the little push button switch in there. It's actually a dual pull switch, so there's two little micro switches behind there instead of the usual one. So yeah, there it is. Close it back and reset it. And now for the MS2, this one obviously takes an FCI key. Excuse me. You gotta actually push this one in a little bit in order to turn it to reset. But yeah, that's why people say these. Some people say the locks are stiff on these pull stations, which they just need to push the key in a little bit harder to turn it. It's my tip for you. You can see the label there. Hopefully, focus. MS2. Switch must be reset manually, so we'll do that. This one is actually a manual switch. Some of them, you can just close them and reset. To this one, you gotta push the switch down. So that's reset, and we'll give that detector a couple more minutes to clear out. And once again, there's the MT doing audible silence. Okay, so that detector should have had enough time to air out, so we'll go ahead and reset. So, the system is reset, and that is the end of today's video. As always, thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and to check out the links in my description. Thank you, and have a great day.